Well, well, well. What do we have here? A triple threat match against the Nature Boy, Earl Williams Jr., and the American Dream, Mike Currence, for the Promo World Heavyweight Championship. Let's take a stroll down memory lane, shall we? My first day ever, right here at the newfound wrestling page, I called out the biggest dog in the yard, the World Championship, Mr. Currence himself. Now, that match never came to fruition. Instead, I got ganged up on by a bunch of fucking pussies known as the Brotherhood. For those who aren't completely familiar with the Brotherhood, allow me to explain. In a nutshell, they're a group of talentless rednecks who cannot fight any battles by themselves due to their lack of skill and testicles. That is, except for, the Nature Boy. Or so I thought. Now don't get me wrong, he is head and shoulders above the rest of the chumps he associates with. But he still lacks testicles. I challenged this wannabe MC to a friendly little rap battle, to which he declined, claiming I wasn't worthy, or some bullshit like that. It's obvious he was afraid, as he should be. Nobody wants to dance with this devil. So what did I do? I won the Promo TV Championship in my first ever match by eviscerating another Brotherhood member, Ray Chumley Phillips. I then proceeded to trample over Mr. Phillips in his mandatory rematch. And then I trampled over another Brotherhood member, Travis Rollins. For a group that talks so much shit, none have ever been able to come close to defeating me, or they simply wouldn't step up to the plate. A wise decision, as I tend to embarrass all those who oppose me. Fast forward to this weekend, the second NFWP pay-per-view, Warriors of the Wasteland. Due to my abilities to stomp a mud hole into every opponent to come my way, the two cowards who would not give me a shot now have no choice but to man the fuck up and get their asses beat like men. Now I'll admit, I have always been better than both of you combined, though I was still a little green back then. Just a little bit. You should have battled me then, when you still had a chance. Because now, I've evolved into the greatest promo competitor you will ever see in your miserable, soon-to-be non-existent careers. I told you, motherfuckers, from day one that I was headed for the top, and that Mike Currence, that I was going to strip your fat, dirty, hideous, nasty ass of that title which you never deserved to begin with. So here I am, boys, right in your face, proving that once again I am the best in the world at whatever I choose to get my hands into. You think that either one of you is going to leave this event with my rightful championship belt? You're sadly mistaken. However, I encourage you to try your best. Because as we all know, I love to laugh. Bring your A game, fellas. Because as we all know, it won't really matter.